Okay, so that was a slight technical hitch. It happens everywhere. Don't worry about that. We are continuing with talking technology, and that's, of course, that's what technology does. Now, you were explaining what you require a partner to assist you with. You can just go ahead.
So we just require those tablets, laptops, some things that can help us to access the Wi-Fi. Yeah. Okay. So if we can get.
Let's look at you are saying you are planning to have some mobile system that you're going to be using because you want to travel to remote areas. How are you also going to go around the issue of electricity, power, and things like that?
Yeah, because the laptops have already got their own power. 3 hours, 2 hours of
it's
power.
Enough for you out there?
Yes, to get whatever we want done.
Okay.
Yeah.
But then,
so if we can do an hour session, a 2-hour session somewhere, I think it would help. In the mobile resource library, we're also getting books for children who may not be able to access like good books. You know, this time our curriculum has changed, and we need our kids to have access to good books. So we're happy that we received a donation of books.
Okay.
Quite a number, more than 9,000. So yeah, I'm quite happy.
Hard books, textbooks?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But you also need some on soft copies.
Yes.
Okay.
So that we can, so that we can give access to those who may be blind or,
okay.
to get
but
access.
then, still going back to my question about power, I'm thinking, this flip mouse, does it not require electricity?
It requires electricity when you are putting it onto your gadget. It doesn't work with electricity if it's just stationary. Okay. As soon as you plug it into your whatever device, then it starts.
It's power from your device as well.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, because I'm trying to think how those in remote rural areas where there's no electricity going to be able to use this.
Yeah, it's a challenge, really.
Mouse.
Yeah, also because of the technology on its own. You see, that's how it's marginalizing other people. So already, if we're saying our school curriculum requires you to have ICT, already the child who's in the rural areas is disadvantaged. I know there was the rural electrification program, there was everything like this, donations of computers, but really some people are being left behind. So I don't know. Yeah, we'll find a way.
Okay. Well, any messages that you might have to our viewers or to those who are living with persons with disabilities?
These issues should be taken seriously, because I realize that even parents or even the nurse at the clinic, you know, they don't actually explain to you what's you as a parent want to know, what can I do for my child? What's wrong with my child? They can't even explain. Maybe they'll just say weak joints, and you're like, oh my God, what's weak joints? And for someone who's poor or in the rural areas, they don't have the money to go to specialists and stuff like this. So it's really a serious issue. If you are a parent and you've got your child, make sure that when the mobile bus comes to your area, come, so that we can help each other, because we've got a lot of programs where we are raising awareness. So if you know where the mobile bus is, especially for those in Bulawayo, you are going in August.
Okay,
so they should just sign up for the mobile bus. I think it's for those who can afford. For persons with disabilities, we're trying to make it free, because we need the cost for fuel and stuff like this.
But are you not also going to have some stuff available on the internet, so that those who cannot be there physically can actually access your website, they can access your services on a website, and maybe they can even go through on their mobile phones? Yeah,
I think that would be a good idea.
Yeah.
Because for now, it's just a pilot, and we want to know how it's going to go. So for those in Bulawayo, yes, they are lucky because the public library is the one that first gave us the go-ahead, because they already have a mobile initiative going on, so we're just jumping on it. Well, we're grateful for that.
That's
so yeah, the Bulawayo guys are going to be in front, and so yeah, it's cheap. I think it's about, we're planning to charge $1, just $1 for the whole holiday. So you can come with your kids, we can read together, we can explore ICT together with disabled people. So yeah.
Okay, and lastly, looking at the stakeholders, I believe as you mentioned, the issue of nurses, how they interact with persons with disabilities, even teachers at school, how they also interact with children. You know, sometimes when you have a child who is disabled and they go to school, if the classroom is full of other children who are so able-bodied and they can do anything on their own, the one with a disability is normally left behind, sort of ignored, and they struggle by themselves and things like that. How are you also also engaging educational institutions, health institutions, and other institutions to make sure that there is no gap, you know.
So this is where our public meetings are coming in handy for awareness.
Okay.
So we organize about 12 to 14 per year. I remember this year we've been one where we've called media practitioners to tell them, such as yourself, to tell them about the language that they use and everything. So yes, Chirema or something like that. So we were teaching them about language. How do you report on disability? What are the rules and regulations in place? So that's what we've been doing. So the awareness meetings are for that. So we do that, we raise awareness on a different platform. These are done once a month, and maybe we can have 2 extra or 3 extra, which brings them to about 15 per year. So yeah.
Okay. We want to thank you, Samantha, for coming to Talking Technology, and we want to appreciate the work, the great work that you are really doing. I think it requires passion and a very good heart to be able to go out of your way and to try to make a life better for people or persons living with disabilities. And all the best in your work and everything that you are doing.
Thank you.
Okay, that's Samantha Sibanda. She's also the founder of Signs of Hope Trust, an organization that works with persons living with disabilities. And those of you who are watching at home and abroad, thank you so much for having joined us. We appreciate your input. Please, even after this live stream, you can continue to watch the program and send us your opinions, send us your questions or responses. And if you'd like to partner Signs of Hope Trust, do get in touch with us. You can get in touch with Samantha. What's your mobile phone or your email address or any other way that people can contact you? Okay,
my mobile is 0775 186 431. 0775 186 431.
Okay.
A website we don't have as yet, but yeah, we are on Facebook or on Twitter.
Okay, yes. Signs of Hope Trust.
Yes.
Okay, there you are, viewers. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, my name is Justin Matlatla. Keep watching ZimdiTv, and God bless you.
Great.
That one's a watermelon.
A T R M L O N watermelon.
So yeah.
Okay.
This livecast has been powered by ZimdiTv News, a division of Sly Media Productions, specialists in social media streaming and in-house TV productions. This livecast has been powered by ZimdiTv.